Everybody, I am here with Kerry Greenwald over here at Creekside Mortgage. I want Kerry to share some information specifically for the holiday season. I know a lot of you are going to be with family and friends, and many of them are veterans. And you're going to be talking about plans for 2018, and hopefully that includes housing plans. What are you going to do to make your housing more stable and make your quality of life a little bit better? And a lot of veterans out there, veterans that you know, people you really care about, may not understand the incredible opportunity that their VA benefit offers them. So, Kerry, what are the important things that a person needs to talk about if they are talking about a VA loan?
So the holiday season brings family together, and during that time, I really truly express you to go through and talk to anyone in the younger generation the importance of owning a home. We've all seen what's happened in rent. Rent's going to continue to go up. It's not going to stop. There's not enough housing to go through and support that. Except home ownership is one of its all-time lows. And with interest rates still where they're at right now, you've been around generationally, you know that these opportunities are unique. So anyone out there going through and paying rent on something that someone you knows and they have that VA eligibility, just express to them what home ownership means. You know, buying something as an asset, whether it's a younger person, has friends rent it with them or anything else, you're able to do that on VA. So just expressing to that, just what their opportunities are to go through and do it. I always look at the holiday seasons as that time to reflect. You're going into New Year's resolutions, everything else. Plus, it tends to be one of the slowest points of the year, in typically January, February. So opportunity to buy something right then is key. But sitting down talking to someone, what are you paying in rent right now, what it would be versus to go through in home ownership, and have that conversation, whether it's pretty equal right now or maybe a little bit ahead, know that, guess what, rent's not going to stop going up. So if it continues to go up, where will they be at 2, 3, 4 years from now? When you buy something, it's an asset. So whether you keep it for a short time period or a long time period, it's going to be something that's going to benefit them and just helps them put their nest eggs away, for later on and having a home ownership. So being able to go through and do it, expressing veterans know other veterans, to say it's very unique for you to be able to buy something, not put any money down and being able to do something like that. So Fred, I just think it's really important that, parents, grandparents, everyone else around this Christmas time, the holiday time season, to go through and have those conversations with youngsters or anyone else out there to say, look, these opportunities, I remember when rates were 19-20% in the 80s, and where you're at right now with rates, don't look at this later on and say, I didn't buy a house, didn't do anything, and I'm throwing my money every way in rent. Putting it into something I think is highly responsible to go through and do. So hopefully that helps. Thanks.
Great. Kerry, thank you for that valuable information. Everybody, when you're with your family this year and talking about next year, especially if you've got a veteran in your family, because veterans are the ones that seem to be the last to know about this loan, please bring up with them. There are veterans right now that we know that are struggling to pay rent. There are veterans, I guarantee you, out there that are even homeless sometimes. They don't understand the incredible opportunity they've got with a VA loan. They may not even contemplate that they could qualify for a VA loan. And, this is something that these young men and women, that they earned. So please help them be cognizant of this situation and this incredible opportunity. If you have any questions about real estate, feel free to give me a call. Fred Stewart, 503-289-4970. What's your phone number?
Kerry Greenwald, it's 360-571-5626.
Thank you, everybody. I'll talk to you guys soon.